Kia ora koutou, Reese from QuickSense here, and today we're looking at types of correlations. So we're given a scatter plot below, where we're looking at finding a relationship between the number of weeks we attend the gym and the amount of weight, what's the maximum weight that people can lift at the gym. Now, there are a couple of things that we can pay attention to. One of the things we can look at is how tightly clustered is the data around a line of best fit. So a line of best fit, roughly speaking, there's half of the data on one side, half on the other, and it goes through the midpoints at the end. So let's see if we can, right, that's roughly a good line of best fit. But what it's really helpful with is it gives me an idea of how far away the dots are from the line of best fit. They're really close. So this is I would say a strong relationship. It's a strong relationship. It is a linear, it's a straight line. It's a linear relationship. As one goes up, the other one goes up at a steadily increasing, or at the same rate. It's also positive, right? It goes up. So we've got this idea of how strong is it? Is it linear? And is it positive or negative? Is it going up? So here are a couple of ways that we can describe the relationship between the weeks we go to the gym and the maximum weight we can lift. In this next question, we're trying to find the equation for the line of best fit, which is really nice because even though the question is one about correlations and about scatter graphs, this is just a linear algebra question, right? What is the equation of this straight line? Well, what I'm going to do is try to find, right, for any equation we need y equal to mx plus c. C is the easy one, that's all we're going to start off with. Where does it cut through the y-axis? Well, if I were to carry this on, right, it's going through somewhere in this vicinity here, so it's less than 5. Right, so I'm looking at my line up. This is a problem. Right, that's no good. 12 is not good. Now, 10 divided by 3, right, so if I change this into s equal to, that's a possibility. -2, that's a no-go. And this one here, well, this one here is telling me that it's a negative relationship. So, my hunch is that this is the correct linear equation. It's in the right place, right, somewhere between 5 and 2.5. And if I begin here and I go across, let's go across a bit, right? Let's go across to 10. So my run is between 2 and 10 is 8. And it looks like it's going up maybe 6 to 20. Rough, right? It's a bit rough. But what that is telling me is rise over run, 20 over 8, right, that's equal to 2.5. And we have here, well, 5 divided by 3, 5 over 3, which is not too far away from that figure. So again, this is not a perfect way, like it's a really rough little calculation I've done here, but it is close enough, especially compared to the other ones, to suggest to me that we have found the correct equation.